Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, we are trying on a mascara. I have it on now. I do like it. It's a little heavy on the lash, but it is a pretty one and it's really nice for drugstore. I am talking about the Lottie London Superfake Mascara. If you guys have been following me, you know that I've been on a Lottie London kick recently. This is one of the other products that I picked up from them. It was all over my feed. Everybody's like, it's great, it's amazing, it's great, it's amazing. We're putting it to the test today and this is what we're looking like. So in this video, I will basically apply and give you my thoughts. So it's a quick one today, guys. Yeah, any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and let's get on with it. All right, so these are my lashes. I'm going to just recurl them. I have funny lashes that when I curl them, they drop after a few seconds. So let's prep my lashes. Gonna curl them. These are Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Give that a good squeeze. Alright, so I did tease this a couple of days ago. It's from Lottie London. This was all over my Instagram feed. It was all over my TikTok feed and I was like, let me try it out. It was under $10. It's supposed to be really good. I did try it. I do like it. And I know somebody asked me if I liked it more than the Maybelline. I have to compare them. I think the Maybelline, though, I think I like it a little bit more, but let's just put it on. It definitely thickens, it lengthens. I love that this mascara is actually a black mascara. It's very difficult to find true black mascara because sometimes they're blue black, they're brown black, they're gray black, they're not black. So it definitely thickens. It thickens, it lengthens. I didn't even show you the wand. Let me show you the wand. It's very like skinny and it's like a silicone wand, which I was like, oh, that's cool. Now, the ads that I've seen, or like just the reviews that I've seen, these people have like gorgeous lashes that don't struggle to hold a curl up. So if you have good lashes, this is absolutely gonna look great on you. Something that I have been doing, I didn't do it today, but I've been heating up my eyelash curler with my blow dryer, and that actually does work. It holds the curl a little bit better. I think for a drugstore mascara, like I'm super impressed by this. I have not found a dud yet with this brand, by the way, and I think I've said that before, which is really surprising to me because usually like nothing is that good across the board, but I'm super impressed. Look at this crazy tan. So I'm just adding a little bit more. So you'll get length, you'll get thickness with this. Now the one thing that I will say is it's a little heavy on the lashes. And you're like, what do you mean by that? Oh, what is it going on with that eyelash? Hold on. That one was ready to go. It just starts to drop a little bit. Not terrible, but it does drop a little bit where, like, if I want my lashes a little higher, it won't stay like that, but I'm okay with the way it didn't drop like too bad. You see the background? And you can see the shape of my eye nice. I love the color. I love that it's good for a drugstore. That's it. I do wish that it just held up just a little bit better, but I'm okay with this. I like it. So that is the Lottie London Superfake Mascara. Again, if you have lashes that just have no problem holding mascara up, you're really gonna like this. It's beautiful. If you have eyelashes like mine, I would recommend heating your eyelash curler just a little bit and then, you know, putting this on, because your lashes will stay up. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next one.